Welcome to this educational video on multi-input, multi-output or MIMO systems. In this video, we will explore the fundamental concepts, techniques and advantages of MIMO technology in modern wireless communication. MIMO stands for multi-input, multi-output, a wireless communication technology employing multiple antennas at both the transmitting and receiving ends. This approach significantly boosts data rates and spectral efficiency, ensuring more data can be transmitted within the same frequency band. Moreover, MIMO improves signal reliability by cleverly using multipath propagation where signals travel along different paths. MIMO technology is not just a theoretical concept, it's a cornerstone of modern wireless communication. It plays a vital role in fourth-generation LTE networks, providing faster and more reliable mobile internet. Furthermore, MIMO is an essential component of fifth-generation networks, enabling the high speeds and low latency that define 5G. You can also find it in Wi-Fi standards like 802.11n AC and AX, enhancing your home and office wireless experiences. In contrast to traditional wireless systems that use a single antenna for both transmission and reception known as SISO, MIMO leverages multiple antennas. Multiple transmit antennas send data streams simultaneously, while multiple receive antennas capture these signals. Sophisticated signal processing techniques then combine these received signals, enhancing both the throughput or data rate and the overall reliability of the communication. This diagram illustrates a basic MIMO system model. Notice the multiple transmit antennas on one side and the multiple receive antennas on the other. The signals transmitted from each antenna travel through different paths and the receiver combines these signals to improve performance. Let's highlight the key features of MIMO. It uses multiple antennas for both transmitting and receiving data, which allows for sending multiple data streams in parallel, significantly boosting data rates. MIMO also improves reliability through various diversity techniques, mitigating the effects of signal fading. Finally, it effectively combats multipath fading by intelligently utilizing different signal paths. Now let's explore the different types of MIMO techniques. First, we have spatial diversity, also known as MIMO diversity gain. The primary goal here is to improve signal reliability. This is achieved by transmitting the same data across multiple antennas using different propagation paths. A common example of this is Almaty spacetime block coding or STBC. Next, we have spatial multiplexing. The main objective of spatial multiplexing is to increase the data rate by transmitting independent data streams simultaneously. In this technique, each transmit antenna sends a different part of the data. A practical example is 4x4 MIMO, commonly found in LTE and Wi-Fi 6, also known as 802.11ax. Another important MIMO technique is beamforming. Beamforming aims to enhance signal strength in a specific direction. This is achieved by carefully aligning the transmitted signals to reinforce the desired signal at the receiver. A prominent example of beamforming is massive MIMO, which is widely used in 5G networks. Massive MIMO takes the concept of MIMO to the extreme, supporting a large number of users with hundreds of antennas. It is a key technology in 5G New Radio or NR, enabling high capacity and low latency communication, which is crucial for applications like virtual reality and autonomous vehicles. MIMO offers numerous advantages. It provides higher data rates by sending multiple data streams simultaneously, increasing throughput. It improves signal quality by using diversity techniques to reduce fading effects. MIMO also achieves better spectrum efficiency, utilizing the wireless spectrum more effectively. Finally, beamforming enhances coverage, improving both range and reliability. In conclusion, MIMO is a crucial technology in modern wireless networks, significantly enhancing data speeds, signal reliability, and spectral efficiency. It plays a vital role in LTE 5G and Wi-Fi technologies, enabling faster and more robust wireless communication for all. Thank you for watching.